video is sponsored by PCBWay. PCBWay is one of the largest PCB manufacturer from China. This is my received package from PCBWay, and here are my boards in that package, which I received within 3 to 4 days after ordering. And later I'll show you that how to order the PCBs at PCBWay.com website. So here are the semiconductors which I'll use in this project. Here you can see there are total 6 integrated circuits, which are TDA7294 integrated circuits. These are the voltage regulators, the positive voltage regulator 7812 and the negative voltage regulator 7912, and this dual inline package, which is an operational amplifier, and this is a TL062 integrated circuit. So I would recommend you to use the genuine parts, the genuine components in your project to get maximum output and to get the true R.M.S, the true 600 watts R.M.S out of this project. And now I'll show you that how to order your PCBs at PCBWay.com website. First of all, you just need to sign in to their website, and then you just need to enter the dimensions of your PCBs and the quantity, that how much boards you want, and after that you have to click on quote now. This screen will be appeared, and here are the parameters of your PCB. Here you can fulfill your parameters, you can choose your color, you can choose your layers, and after that you just need to click on calculate button, and after that you have to click on add to cart. And now you have to upload your Gerber file at the server of PCBWay.com. The file will be uploaded, and then you just need to wait a bit so that the PCBWay check your board if it has any error. And here you have to choose your delivery options according to your requirement, and the payment method according to your ease, that how you can pay. So that's it.